guys, it's your girl Kinkycurlyrae here and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome as well, and don't forget to subscribe. So in today's video I will show you how you can create your own ombre wig with highlights. Let's go. So you will need some powder bleach. I'm using the one from True Lights. Then you will need some developer slash cream peroxide. I'm using the one with 12% slash 40 vol. This one is the highest, but you can also use 9%, 6% or 3%. These ones are not that fast as 12%, and I recommend those ones instead of the 12%. Then you will need some purple shampoo. Purple shampoo will eliminate all the yellow tones from your bleach parts on your wig. This is really recommended, so don't forget that. Then you will need some extra coloring slash bleaching conditioner. You will need saran wrap, of course, and you will need your tools to bleach. And I'm also using the Odor number 107 mocha color to add some color to my fountain because it's trash. So first, section off your hair, of course, because you can't bleach your hair in one part. That's really important. So for the measurements, y'all know I don't use any measurements, but in this part I'm using like 3 cups of powder bleach and a little bit of cream peroxide to make my bleach, and I'm making it a sort of liquid consistency of the bleach. So as you can see, I'm applying the bleach from the ends to the middle, and I'm working my way up. After applying the bleach, I'm combing it out with a brush, of course. This will create the ombre effect and the highlights effect as well. As you can see, I'm sectioning off my hair again, track by track. Please, guys, this is really important, or else your wig will look ridiculous and weird, and it's not cute at all. So don't forget to section off your wig in tracks. So after bleaching every part, I'm letting it sit for about 10 minutes because it contains the highest cream peroxide, and if I leave it on too long, it will break off. If you have like 6%, 3%, even 9%, you can let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes, but not longer. So now I'm gonna wash it out with some purple shampoo. So for washing it out, I will use cold water instead of warm water because warm water will melt your hair and it will look frizzy. So normally I will put the shampoo directly on the hair, but now I'm putting it first on my hands because if you used purple shampoo for too long on your hair, it will leave purple traces and that's not cute. So if you're a beginner, first put the shampoo on your hands, mix your hands, and then put it on your wig or your weave. So after using my purple shampoo, I will now use some conditioner used for after coloring or after bleaching. This will give moisture and will revive my wig as well. I will let my conditioner sit for about 30 minutes. You can also leave it for 1 hour or longer, or even overnight, but it's up to you. Okay guys, these are the final results. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like, to comment, to share, and to subscribe. Be blessed.